So here she is, the Holiday Traveler, I believe. This is just how we picked it up. Overall, pretty decent shape. I know it's getting kind of dark out. I just wanted to do a little bit of a before video. I'll do an inside tour too once I get it inside the garage, but it has a forward dinette style right now, big wraparound windows. The bathroom is right there, kitchen, and then a rear couch makes into a bed, big closet space. Actually really cool camper, in pretty good condition for being all original.